Hey guys, good morning. This is around oh, this is Thanksgiving the 25th. I came out to look at the garden. Pretty much the weather has done what it's going to do. Let me show you all a close up. So the cold weather has done what it's going to do to my broccoli, so we need to go ahead on and just remove this broccoli. All of them have sagged and or have tarnished in color due to the cold weather. The spinach boxes are still doing okay, so we're letting the spinach continue to try to do what it's going to do. I'm going to harvest some more of that today, but we're going to remove the broccoli. I'm going to probably cut down as much of the collards as I can, and go ahead on and finish those up before I remove those. Swiss chard has been too cold, so it has died out. And we're going to cover over the strawberry bin today as well. So we are coming to the end of the fall phase. We are definitely into winter. Today is about 50 degrees out. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, we're gonna finish cutting these collards for what we can get, and we're gonna cover over the strawberry bin. Haven't seen any more mold damage. I will say that since we did all these treatments with the giant destroyer bombs, we haven't seen any, but we still are going to purchase some more thumpers, hoping that they'll deter them from coming under the fence from my neighbor's yard. So we'll see. Alright guys, so in the area where we have the kaleidoscope carrots, we had a lot of digging with the squirrels earlier, and looks like I've got some invasive grass also coming up in here, but I do see carrot tops all over. So I may just let it continue to get bigger, and then try to get rid of some of the invasive flowers that look like grass that looks like it's trying to come in here. And this may have come off of some of the I know one of my visitors to the site was specifying to me about the difference between straw and hay. So I'm going to make sure that these little grass things are removed out of here, because I don't want them to take over the whole space. So we shall see. Of course, the broccoli will not be coming up. It got too cold for it, so that was, expected. But yeah, we'll be working on removing the rest of the broccoli today. Heard something knocking on the fence down here, and y'all see him poking his little head out. It's a little woodpecker. I don't know why he's on the fence and not on the tree. Oh, okay, it's two of them.